Mobile Auto. We've come to a customer's house in North Vancouver, and we come to detail this classic. Here's a before video. We're looking forward to restoring and cleaning this car. It's mostly vinyl. Thanks guys, we'll take an after video once we're done, and if you need our service, please give us a call 604-518-6684. We are mobile and we come to your location. Hey guys, this is Vic from D&V Mobile Auto. We wanted to take an after video of the detailing of the car that we just did in Vancouver. Here's the interiors after steam cleaning and brushing the vinyl and all the areas. So hopefully we have another happy customer, and the client has maybe asked us to even come and do the exteriors soon. Call us if you have any interior detailing needs. We come to your location 604-518-6684. Thank you.